We are here inside B pump station, which has been completely vandalized. All the equipment has been removed, starting from mechanical equipment related to generator, which supplies power when there's load shedding. Electrical control panel is also completely removed and vandalized. You go to mechanical screening facility, it's also removed. You go to the building structure, the roll-up doors, which are very, very hard and strong, they are also removed. The gate of the fencing parameters of the station has also been removed, completely removed. It's no longer there. The cables from Eskom supply side were also cut off. This is a very serious issue. There's no more sewer over conveyance services available now due to the impact that has been caused by vandalizing the pump station. When the pump station is vandalized, it's very simple. There's no services at all. People who will be flushing their toilets, sinks, bath basins, there will be a backflow. Eventually it overflows from the streets. Then what the city does in that instance, the teams goes out to clear the lines, which is now causing strain on the human resource and prioritize every day the vandalized pump station. As I'm speaking now, we have delivered 2 pumps, which is going to cost the city massively. If we talk about finance, that's going to be have a negative impact by the vandalism of this pump station. What this community can do when they witness vandalism similar to this, or any city infrastructure or water and sanitation infrastructure, is to report it to the nearest or local police station. Let's work together with the city to protect water and sanitation infrastructure. By doing so, we'll be protecting the health of our families and communities.